Is your CRV camera doing this? Let's fix both settings before touching any wiring. Just a quick heads up, this only helps if your original radio already had the backup camera multi-view mode. This one is for the Honda CRV setup with ViaBecs Can021R harness. First, put the car in reverse and bring up the factory camera. If the camera image looks dark like this, just tap anywhere on the camera screen. You'll see this little settings button. Tap it to open the camera adjustments. Now bring up the brightness, contrast, and saturation until the image actually looks usable. That's much better. So the dark camera issue is just the image setting. But here's the second problem, the picture is fixed, but the view button still isn't showing. So now we'll back out of reverse and check the system settings. Before changing the Canbus option, connect the head unit to Wi-Fi, then open About and check the system version first. For this camera view feature, the system version needs to be December 23, 2025 or newer. Next, go into Factory Settings, enter the factory password to continue. Once you're inside, tap Select Models. Here's the key part. For the Can021R radio harness, select the CRV High Config Protocol option. If your CRV has the factory right side camera, turn on Right View too. After that, tap OK and let the head unit save the Canbus option. The unit will restart on its own after the setting is applied. Once it boots back up, put it in reverse again and test the camera. There it is, the factory view buttons are back on the right side. Now the backup camera image is clear, and the view switching is working again. If your backup camera did not come with a view switching feature, it will not operate.